welcome to my channel. This is your girl Abby, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you an updated office tour. So this is my 2021 home office setup. It's a little small office space, but I did a video previously last year, or at the end of last year for 2020, and my office has changed slightly. Actually, a few things have changed, so I just wanted to give you an update and hope that this can give you some inspiration for your own home office space, especially if it's a small space. I have just a little corner here, but let me go ahead and show you and I will explain all the details as well.
Alright, so starting with the desk. The desk I got from IKEA, and it is a build-a-desk. What you do is you purchase the pieces that you want and then you put it together. So I used the Alex drawers and I bought 2 of them, and they were $79 each. And then the tabletop is called Linman. I got the 59 by 29 inches and that was $29, but they do have different sizes. I actually just helped my mom put hers together and she got a smaller tabletop, which was maybe $19.99. She only used one of the Alex drawers and a foot or a peg. And then on top of the tabletop, I did put plexiglass. Got it from Lowe's, and what they do is they can actually cut it for you to size. Now, the reason why I had gotten that in the beginning was because I planned to use this desk for makeup as well, but I ended up just using it for my home office. And then what you see there are some baby-proof drawer locks. I got these from Amazon because once my son started moving around, he was very interested in these drawers. I only needed to close off one of them because he just never made it to the other side. And then the block calendar is from Walmart. I really like this. One main reason why I like it is because I like to change the date and it makes me feel as if I have checked off one thing on my to-do list. The fake plants or the fake succulents are from IKEA. They were very cheap, maybe like $2 or $3. The desk organizer is from Amazon, and I will link everything below in the description box. The She Is Strong mug is from TJ Maxx, and I have my 2021 vision board up. I will go ahead and link the video to it if you'd like to check it out. I previously had my 2020 vision board right in that exact same spot. If you want to see how I was able to do that, I'll link the videos below and also in the cards. This frame with this long quote is one that I've had for a very long time. It's been in my life for years and I will forever have it. I just really love what it's about. Of course, this year I got a MacBook Pro. I think it's still one of my most popular videos on this channel. I'll link that video if you want to check out where I did the unboxing, but I use it pretty much every day and I use it a lot for editing. I have a wireless mouse that I use with it and I got that from Amazon. The mouse pad is from Target, from the dollar spot. I will link one that is similar from Amazon. And one major change to my office this year is that I added a monitor. With editing and my neck, I needed a bigger screen and I just was not at the point to where I could buy an iMac, so I decided to make my own version of it. So I got this monitor from Amazon and I'll link that and I'll link the video I did on it also. And then I got this glass stand to put the monitor on, just to raise it up. And the stand is actually, I made sure it was wide enough that I could put my laptop underneath if I needed to. I have my voiceover mic that I use to do these voiceovers on my videos. I actually have a lapel mic as well, and I got both of them from Amazon, and they just help keep the background noise out of my recordings. I just like to use them. And I got a new printer and I'm so happy about it. I actually got a new printer because my old printer stopped working, but this one is actually, it fits better in my office. It's smaller. The only problem is I wanted it to be the gray one instead of blue. I went to 3 different stores and I could not get the gray one. It is available on Amazon, but it was going to take too long for me to get it. I wouldn't get it until after Christmas and I needed to use it to print out items for my vision board. So I just went ahead and got the blue, and I actually picked it up from Target and it was $79.99 at Target. And this picture hanging frame I've had for a while. I got from TJ Maxx. This year I did switch out the photos just because, you know, my son's gotten a little older, so I wanted to add some new stuff on there. The shelf is from IKEA. It was about maybe $30 and I love it. It fits perfectly in this corner. The frames, I got the small black one and the gold frames from Ross. The last one I just picked up from the Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on the Dollar Tree, y'all. You can find some really good stuff there at times. The candle and the little tree in the back I got from TJ Maxx. The bookends I got from Target several years ago. I believe they still have some similar stuff there. I will see if I can find anything similar on Amazon and I will link it. The books are also from from Dollar Tree. And what I did was I took the covers off the books and I flipped them backwards. It's a little trick I picked up from Miss Erin on Demand here. I love her. The only difference is I didn't want to spend real money on books I wasn't going to read and just use for decoration, so I picked up the books from Dollar Tree. So don't sleep on a Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, if you are looking to do something like this where you're displaying books, if you're not going to read them, you might as well just spend a few dollars on them instead of spending $15 per book. The plant pot is from IKEA and I got it for a really good price, and it kind of sucks right now. I am looking for another plant pot, but it's been hard to find them in the stores, so I may have to end up going to IKEA again. And look at this, y'all. Your girl is stepping it up and got some real plants. Yes, some real plants that I intend to keep alive. So I've had this plant before. I believe it's called pothos, and it's actually really easy to take care of. It doesn't require a lot of light, so it does well in office settings, especially if you don't have a window nearby. But I got 2 of them, one for my room as well. I will be posting a 2021 complete room makeover coming soon, so make sure you subscribe and stick around for that. Now this fake plant or fake fern I got from Walmart. The lamp is either from Target or Walmart. The table is from Ross, and down here I have a little power strip box, is I guess what I would call it. I use it to hide my cables, and I put the little power strip in there. I picked this one up from IKEA, but they also have them available on Amazon. And I have my little small filing cabinet here. I got it from Walmart, and also the files or the folders that are in there. This just fits perfectly under this table, and it's just what I needed. Didn't need anything too big or bulky. And I'm actually trying to go as much paperless as I can because it just ends up being too much clutter. And I've been on this whole decluttering journey, so I'm trying to get all my files, or the ones that I don't need physical copies of, on my computer. The chair, now this chair, this is one of the best purchases I guess I've made towards my office this year. This chair I got from Amazon, and the other chair I had before was also a white chair, but when I purchased it I wasn't planning on sitting in it for long periods of time because I was going to use it as a vanity chair, like to do my makeup, but ended up being my office chair, and let me tell you, it did not have enough cushion for my butt. So I had a lot of pain, and I ended up having to get a new chair that had just more cushion. It was more comfortable, and it's still white, and it blends perfectly with my office area.
So that is it. I believe I got everything this time. I don't think I forgot anything. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out greatly here on YouTube. And let me know in the comments below if you found this useful or what your favorite part of this office, the small office space was. And I hope that you stick around. I hope you subscribe and join my internet family. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.